Hello viewers, welcome to geography class for ICSE and Madhyamik. Hope you all are good and safe at your home and you are continuing your learning from your home. So today I am going to discuss about another new topic from the topographical map, and it is very important topic for 2021 board exam. So you will get one questions from this topic. What is the topic? The topic is distance calculation in topographical map. So today I will show you how to calculate the distance from topo sheet. So first of all, I will take one question, and then through these questions I will explain how to calculate the actual distance between two features from the topographical map. So let's see. Viewers, you can see one question in your screen. What is the question? The question is calculate the actual distance between Malgaon and Harmatia settlements through cut tract. So here the two features are given. One is Malgaon settlement, another is Harmatia settlement, and we have to find out the actual distance between Malgaon and Harmatia. So here you can see the two settlements are given. One is Malgaon, another is Harmatia. First of all, I will identify the both of the features from the topo sheet. This is the map. From this map, we have to identify the features first. So let's see. So viewers, you can see two settlements are already marked. This is Malgaon and this is Harmatia, and this is the cut tract. This is the cut tract, and you have to find out the actual length of this cut tract. Then we will get the actual distance between the Malgaon and Harmatia. Now we have to move on to the map, and of the map I will show you how to calculate the actual distance between Malgaon and Harmatia. So let's move. So viewers, this is the map you can see, and first of all I will show you the two settlements Malgaon and Harmatia, and then I will explain how to calculate the actual distance between the two settlements through cut tract. So let's see. According to our question, this is our first settlement, that is Malgaon. You can see that is the Malgaon, and this is Harmatia. You can see the name Harmatia and Malgaon. Okay, and this is the cut tract. Through this cut tract they are connected between each another. So you have to take the map length of this particular cut tract. Okay, so what will be the process to take the map length of this cut tract? So I will use a string, and through this string I will take the length of the cut tract. You can see the string. Through this string I will take the length of this cut tract, map length of this cut tract. So I will put it over here. So that will be the process. Through this way I will take the map length. This is my starting point. You can see this is the starting point. So I will take the map length. You have to take this map length very carefully, otherwise actual length you will not get. So when you are taking the map length of the cut tract or any other features, so you have to take it very carefully. Viewers, you can see this is the point. So this is our last point and this is our starting point. So now I will see what is the total length of this cut tract. I will take a ruler or scale, and through this scale I will see the total length. You can see the total length is 10.5. Now I will note it. So what is the map length of the cut tract in between Malgaon and Harmatia settlement, it will be 10.5 centimeter. Now we have to move on to the screen, and then we will see how to calculate the actual distance in between two features in topo sheet. Now viewers, I will show you how to do the calculation. At first I have to take the map length of the cut tract which we have got from the map, and it is 10.5 centimeter, and it is on your screen. And we know what is the statement scale of the map. The statement scale of the map is 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer, and by this statement scale we have to do the calculation, and we have to find out the actual distance between Malgaon and Harmatia. So what will be the process? I will explain. So in the second line you have to do the calculation for 1, and 1 centimeter to 1 by 2 kilometer, it means 0.5 kilometer. And at the last you have to do the calculation for 10.5. So 10.5 centimeter to 5.25 kilometer. Through this process have to do dividation, and here you can see 10.5 divided by 2, and then you will get 5.25 kilometer, and it is the actual length in between Malgaon and Harmatia. So actual length of Malgaon and Harmatia settlement is 5.25. So I hope viewers this video will helpful for you, and if you like this video please share it and give your valuable opinion and suggestion in my comment box. I will meet with you again with a new video. Thank you so much for watching my video.